Senchira yobo ikirano gotera abayigasengane renge togo chengere tokolia baswati asiri tokolia lero ekyombe kyabaswati kemanya kantebu na Gusii Women in Leadership Network ikone kubatani yabaswati abarai ni goba Chama asiri tokolia lero senchira yokonyara korwa obo semia asenchira yokonyara kubalenda abaswati omuyego ni gokolekana asomo cyobosongo imeye county ya Kisii abwatani aho ni gobekera na somo jego gati ya bono yokabero women repomerio tara imeye county ya Kisii agati abwatani bekera na sokonyara kubasegeta kobo basera abasubate igobo igo abonchori aho gati abo St Jude amana abwatani bande na abwatani kurwa sebyombe binde nigobo igo bayikirana ase omujigo politikolia lero asabo igo motenelio Ndizi TV nera bakati yabali babawikirana ase ensemeyo omuri kitona gende to kwariga roboti rukone toreke ngese kyo roboti ruo.
So let us invest in women, let us accelerate progress. Before we get into the topic that I want to talk about, which is authentic leadership, let us keep the following in mind. Wherever we are, when women aren't present, we must ask, why not? When women are discriminated against, we must call out poor practice. When the treatment of women is not equitable, we must take action. And we must do it each time, every time, wherever we are. To truly include women means to openly embrace their diversity, whether it's in race, age, ability, faith, body, color, image, whatever it is. Because worldwide, women must be included in all fields of endeavor. I want you to indulge me for a few seconds, all of you. Close your eyes.